I'm going to give you my review on the Calphalon Contemporary Non-Stick 11-piece cookware set. We bought our set on eBay. A set like this could cost you anywhere from $300 to $400. It was packaged really well, and the first pan we unpacked is the 3-quart sauté pan with a lid. This next one is the 10-inch fry pan. And this next one is a 2.5-quart saucepan with a lid. And the biggest one is the 8-quart stock pot with a lid. This one is the smaller of the saucepans at 1.5 quarts, and it comes with a lid. Here are the lids. They are glass with metal detailing. I would like to point out that the handles do not get overly hot, so they're easy to handle even while used on the stovetop. I wanted to give some examples of cooking things. I want to see this non-stick put to action, and here I'm starting with pancakes. I've noticed that these pans heat very evenly, and I was very pleased with this flip. The contemporary design has multiple layers of non-stick to ensure exceptional cooking performance and lasting use. I felt like this was the perfect browning on the pancake. It's very easy to flip and to move around. I was very happy with it. It's important for me to point out that it is PFOA-free non-stick coating. That was a very important factor for us when picking the right non-stick pan. With it being PFOA-free, it's a ceramic non-stick that's great for extra easy food release and cleanup. It has been removed any of those dangerous chemicals that make this PFOA-free pans more of a healthier option to cook with. They all also have the cast stainless steel Stay Cool handles for confident handling. The ultimate test is the egg. This is what the pans look like after cooking the pancakes and eggs. They're very easy to wipe out, but I would like to point out they are, yes indeed, they are dishwasher safe, which is a really nice perk. Water comes to a boil very quickly. And we'll end on this note. A flipped sandwich, perfectly evenly heated, and very easy to maneuver in the pan. I would recommend these pans. This has been a great addition to our kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the review. Please subscribe and hit that like button.